Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and now we're going to be making slime.
Today.
Ingredients we'll be needing is Elmo's glue, baking soda, contacts,
Get ready.
and water, a spoon, and some little things.
Some little things. And a bowl. So, we're going to pour the glue in. Ooh.
The glue is.
I'm try to get all of it out. You got on my hand.
Oh my goodness!
That slime gonna become giant. Let's put more glue. Another thing.
We're going to get our hands ready to go in.
So, we put 3 bottles of glue. Should we put another one?
I don't Yes, well, it can be a lot of slime.
Okay, and now we're going to put another one. It's going to be 3.5 because this is just halfway full.
Whoa! That's cool. Ooh, that can be a lot of slime.
It's hard to come out. Okay,
Yeah.
it.
We're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Into the glue. We just put it in there.
That's not even enough. A little bit big.
And then we're gonna put. Anyway, so we're gonna put some water. Approximately, it's supposed to be 1 cup, but we do not have a measuring cup at this moment. So I put however much water.
Oh, I
on
want to mix it.
I don't think it was 1 cup.
Oh,
Ooh, it's coming out.
I think you put too much water. It better not. Put in the contact solution.
So you gotta put a little bit at a time. I don't know why, but that's what YouTube said.
Don't put it
And then the more you put, the more it's gonna get together or something. Stick. Yes, put some. Stop. So you gotta keep mixing it, and it's getting thicker. Yeah, it's getting thicker. So keep putting some. Yeah. Okay, close it. That it is getting thicker and thicker. It's getting together with the contact solution. So we're just gonna keep putting some more contact solution until I feel like it's good enough. Yep. So as you can see, it has already gotten together and thickened up. So when you have put enough contact lens, you just need to like get it away from the sides, I think, and just start kneading it like that. So thing 4 color hers. It was supposed to be red, but it came out pink.
Yeah, 'cause it's white.
I can need. Thing 3 came out blue.
Doing it wrong. I don't care.
And thing 5 came out green. And
Oh, I
that's
love
his
this
favorite
green.
color. And mine, I haven't done it yet. So I did mine yellow. Hers came out pink, blue, and green. How'd you like this activity?
Good. Fun.
You? How'd you like it?
Fun.
You? Good. I give it a 10. And our guest, my brother, made an ugly color sign.